Hello guys and welcome back to my source for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix verification failed. This Apple ID is not active. So guys, if you're facing this problem, you will have to watch this video till the end to fix your problem. So guys, here I will give you some solutions to fix your problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to restart your device and then see if your problem is fixed or not. After this guys, you will have to force restart your device. So guys, after this you will have to force restart your device and then check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, the second solution to this problem is that you will have to make sure that there is no payable payment on your Apple ID and there is no any unusual activity on this Apple ID. So guys, open settings, tap on your profile and then tap on payment and shipping. So guys, from here check whether there is any payment which you will have to pay. If there is any payable payment, first pay your payment and then check and then make it sure that there is no unusual activity on this Apple ID. So after this, the third solution to this problem is that you will have to reset your Apple ID password. So guys, open your profile, then tap on password and security. So guys, from here change your password. So guys, change your password for your Apple ID to fix this problem. So guys, check if their problem is fixed or not. So guys, the fourth solution to this problem is that you will have to make it sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. So guys, open settings, then scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and check whether there is any update available on your iPhone. So guys, check if there is any update available on your iPhone. So guys, first of all, update your iOS version and see if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, the final solution to this problem is that you will have to contact Apple support. So guys, open Safari browser, tap here support.apple.com. Here it is, tap on your device, scroll it below. So guys, you will have to tap on get support. So guys, from here you can get any support from Apple authorities. They will be able to fix your problem. So guys, after all this solution, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.